is up, guys? Today we are going to be checking out the new Animal Company update, and let's go. It is currently very nice. Let's go check out the shop for what the heck is that? And what the wait, I'm gonna check out this last because this looks dev mode. Yo, what? Wait, wait, let me check. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Dang it, it's not there anymore. Wait, you can actually see what color they're on now. That's so cool. Wait. What? This is sick. But this is not out yet, but bro, you can see the colors. That's super cool. But let's check out this shiny pack. I'm not gonna buy that. And guys, whoa. Okay, yo, bro, look. Emerald breaker set, the rock breaker, the gem breaker, and the diamond breaker. What the? Yo, capybara, bro. Capybaras are one of my favorite animals. I might be getting that. I really want it, and I'm gonna try to get it. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. Let's get my grab. Let's go check if there's any in here. Why are they not adding anything? Because I've been saving up. I have 5. So, okay, let's check out what this is now. Probably have to do. Okay, I clicked the dev mode. I don't know what that does. It's a map, but here. I don't know. But let's check if there's anything in the arena. Let's check if they haven't added anything yet. Cause this is, oh god, this is still in beta, so I don't know. But I guess we have to go to adventure. We might have to check with a. What was that like blue? Okay, it's like this. It was like a water thing. What is this? How do you get into there? Hold on, let me go join a public. No PvP. Yo, guys, what does this do?
Admin, join me.
Wait, what does this do, guys?
Okay.
Today I'm going. What do demo do?
What's your name?
Come on, La Boo Boo.
Oh, never mind. I found you.
What does
Yo,
this
try
do?
to call with me. Hey, Crab.
But I don't. Wait, can you tell me what that does?
I don't know.
Okay,
Demo?
join me, okay?
Demo?
Okay.
I see I teleport
Join
you
me.
wherever you want.
Okay.
Come, try to call with me. Bro, Claire, try to call
Guys,
with me.
what is this about? What is
I don't
this
know.
about?
How do you do this? How do you do this stuff?
I
Yeah,
think
I know.
moderators only can.
I don't know. Probably though.
I believe so because they do it like dev mode and they pull down the lever.
Hold up. Okay. Let me join one more code and then I'll go back to up. Yo, guys, what
I
does
think you have to find a tape. I think the
Guys.
tape is in office.
Go find it then.
office is open? Everyone, office is finally opened. Guys, office is opened. Let's go. Let me get gear. Wait, there's someone said tape. Let me get a bag. Office is opened. I didn't know it would be opened. Okay. Let's still has the old sound. Okay. I remember this. I remember this like it was yesterday. Bro, I loved going here with my friends, and we would change so many things. Bro, this is so fun. Oh, no. Okay. You can't go. These things are still never gonna open. I bet. Okay, let's find the way now. Oh, wait. Oh. Hello there. I should have brought a weapon. I probably am. I'm gonna go get a weapon, guys. I'm probably gonna get like a crowbar. But office is opened. This feels so wrong for office being open. Let's go. I hope there's new stuff. And I hope, like, you know that monster guy? I think he should be like, I think he might be like a full person now. I hope he is, because that'll be cool. This feels so good for office being back, guys. And I hope you guys feel the same way. Whoa, 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 what do you mean by that? But like, I hope you guys like the new update, and also, this is super cool. I'm not ending the video, I'm just saying that, so don't think that I'm gonna end the video already off the bat. I'm probably gonna kill her. Here. I'm gonna kill you, lady. Someone said office, so I was like, office? And then I look at the office, and it's opened. Get out! Oh, I hear the monster. Office is back, everyone. I'm so happy. But I hope you're having a good. And if you feel down, always know that Jesus is by your side and Jesus loves you, guys. Always know that. Okay. Okay. This is where you go to like turn stuff in like color. Do this again. Is he a full person? It still scares me, guys. It still scares me. I'm not going to get that because I'm gonna go down. This is still like one of the most scariest maps. Like, oh god! Alright guys, let me turn down my headset. That is way too loud. Let me turn it off like once. It's back. Let's get the... No! I forgot what the... Oh, God. You can't grapple onto this anymore. That sucks. Cool. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, I died. Who cares? Okay. But guys, this is so cool. That office is back. Okay. But guys, I'll do like a second part to this video when I find out what that does. So, if you guys like the video, then you're a good boy, and peace.